Alright guys, how are you doing? Just a few little clips from when we was out bashing with 8S Steve. The main content's going to go up on 8S Steve's channel when he gets around to editing it. Alright guys, enjoy the video! Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. What happened?
I broke it, I think I broke it.
Ah!
Just trying to find the right sized pin to fit in this house.
Oh.
Ah! I know that one doesn't sound right either.
Don't fall over.
I haven't got bad hands on, so. Well, I think.
No bad lands going on there.
No, you're getting a bit worn.
Yeah.
Right, it's going.
It's going. Where do you want me to stand?
I don't mind.
If I get back a bit, we'll get the height better. Ready when you are, dude. Oh my good God. It's upside down.
Oh.
Oh, and it lives. Upside down, but it lives. I reckon it's got to go flat out over that wall of death, doesn't it? Yes. What we got here?
There's a potato in there.
There's a hole. What happened, Stephen?
I broke the back there.
Ah. Oh, look at them pizza cutters go though. Did he go up? No. He got the amp on the go. What are you going to do, Steve?
Going to make it fly.
Oh, nice landing though. Someone said, who's that retard with a squeaky voice? It's him!
Big special.
Oh, backflip. Oh, that landed lovely. Nice. Oh, perfect. I'm a little scuba. Oh!
Well, it snapped off. I think it's just come unscrewed and sprayed fluid everywhere. Oh, I don't know. I know there are some threads there.
Ah. You can have it back now. You can have it back. I'm going to kill it, dude. I'm getting carried away.
You won't kill it.
Alright, so that was just a little teaser video. The main video is going to go up on 8S Steve's channel when he gets around to editing it. So alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys. Bye! Oh, it loves it!